Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make like your art style look like clay or like a plushie in Canva. Super cute. Super simple. I think you do need credits though for the vectorizer app, but we're just going to paste an image here, and I'm just going to remove the background. Then we are going to use the vectorizer option here. Start tracer on the colorful mode. It may take a while to vectorize your image, or you are able to also use elements, and then you'll need to add to design, but as you can see, you'll need credits for that. So this is what it's going to actually, this is what it looks like then. I think I'm just going to have the background the same color then as the image here. Grab your image and go to edit, go to style match, and here you're able to turn it into a plush, clay style, even marble. I think the plush and clay are the cutest one that you can choose for it. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. There we go. Look how cute that is. That is so adorable. But yeah, you just have to wait. You can also do the clay one, which is also pretty cute. I'm just again waiting for this to load. And again, you can definitely do this with elements as well. You don't have to do it using other pictures because you do have to vectorize it in order to stylize it. But this is the clay version. It's super cute. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.